I've been making acne and skincare videos for more than 10 years now, and there's one thing that I've talked about, that when people stop doing it, they immediately see their breakouts improve or completely go away. I'm going to tell you exactly what that is in this video. Okay, if your skeptical intent has popped up, I get it. I would be skeptical too. Whenever people on the internet make big, bold claims like this one, I always question it. But look, I've had extremely severe cystic acne that forced me to literally try everything out there. Some things worked, some things didn't, but occasionally I would find something that was game-changing and then I would share it. And I've had hundreds, maybe even thousands of people say that this one thing massively improved their acne or got rid of it entirely. So I'm really excited to explain it with the hopes that it's gonna do the same thing for you. First though, I wanna give you some quick gems that you've probably never tried that have really quickly improved my acne, and then at the end I'll tell you my one big secret. Okay, so first up, hot water. You ever spend a lot of time in a hot shower, a bath, jacuzzi, steam room, any of those kind of things? You get out, you dry off, and then your face feels bone dry. I had no idea, but dryness actually causes acne. Talked about this on the channel before, but really hot water is really good at stripping the oils off your face, and then your skin immediately starts producing more oil because it's trying to fix that dryness. The problem is, if you're acne prone, all that extra oil increases the chance that one of your pores will clog. So luckily there are a few super quick fixes. First off, you can limit how long you actually take a hot shower, but I don't know who wants to do that. So instead of that, you can try limiting how much you let the actual water hit your face and instead just let it hit your body. Also, after your hot showers, be very, very vigilant about using a non-pore clogging moisturizer to immediately replace that moisture that was stripped off when you strip the oil off. Next up, stop using sheet masks on your face. Listen, I love using sheet masks as much as the next person. It's really relaxing, but think about it. Most of the sheet masks that exist are not designed for people with acne. They're meant to be, refreshing or nourish your skin for anti-aging purposes, but their target customer isn't buying it to get rid of their acne. There's actual acne products for that, and it's a whole lot cheaper to not have, those anti-acne ingredients in their masks. But you'd be surprised how many ingredients that they use that rank really high in acne irritation. Things like isopropyl myristate, isopropyl palmitate, these things really penetrate the skin deeply, and that can help. But if you have acne, it can actually cause more breakouts. Also, a lot of these masks have fragrances, and fragrances can make the mask smell great, but they cause breakouts too. It's one of the biggest acne-causing ingredients in all skincare, so you want to avoid fragrances. You don't have to avoid sheet masks entirely, but you just got to be a little careful which one you buy. Here is a huge gem. Write this down. Go to cosdna.com, cosdna.com on your phone, and put any product into it while you're shopping, and it's going to break down every ingredient in that product on an acne causing scale. You might find out your favorite mask is causing you acne. For example, the popular Yes to Cucumbers brand has a fragrance called Algin that ranks a 4 out of 5 on the acne scale. Look, if you're dealing with acne and you're tired of things not working and you don't really know what to do next, check out my acne program, theacnemethod.com. It's 10 steps that help you uncover your personal causes of acne so you can turn it off at the source. Michaela's going through it right now and only halfway through, and she's already found one huge cause of her acne, and now her transformation so far is looking absolutely amazing. It's insane the amount of progress she's made so quickly. What she messaged me the other day made me really happy. She said, "The amount of tears I've cried over my face and the pain it's caused me, and now finally figuring out my body and seeing results, I could cry happy tears." Makes me really happy to see that. It's really awesome seeing how happy people get when they, kind of gave up hope a while back, but now something is actually working. Feeling like you are in control is a great and empowering feeling. If I asked you whether you thought ingesting a bunch of toxic contaminants could be a cause of acne, what would you say? Of course, you would say, of course, it's a cause of acne. Well, third up, people are always telling you to drink your water, and if you have acne, it's like, yeah, I've heard it. But what I never hear anyone talk about is tap water. There's an analysis that came out in 2021 that found that more than 320 different contaminants are in the average American tap water. That's insane. When our liver and our kidney are working really hard to process all of this stuff out of our body, it can cause inflammation in the body, and it can cause inflammation that makes you break out. For some reason, I never really thought about this too much, but it makes a lot of sense, right? We think about food going into our body, but why not the quality of the water going into our body? And there's all sorts of contaminants. Chlorine is just one, but there's a lot, like I said. So whether it's a water filtration system that improves the water you drink and the water that you shower in, or if it's just, buying already well-filtered water so you don't have to drink out of the tap. This has helped thousands of people, and it could help you too. Last one before I tell you the big one. Stop using so many different skincare products. Whether you're cleansing too many times in a day and stripping off all the oil on your face, or you just have 15 different products that you're using because they all have proven anti-acne ingredients, you can be stripping your natural oils, disrupting your skin acid mantle, or disrupting your skin's natural pH level to the point that it's actually doing more harm than good. I had a really hard time wrapping my head around this because when I was trying everything to get rid of my acne, it included using tons of different products. They're all backed up by studies, they're all really good quality, so the more the better, right? But when I gave this experiment a try and stopped using everything, I saw my acne and my redness literally improve within a week. It will blow your mind how many people have seen huge results when they try this method. It's just called the caveman regimen. If you look it up, you'll see hundreds of thousands of people have tried this. And a lot of times it's just giving the skin a few weeks to basically reset, to breathe before using some of those same products again. And a lot of times after the skin's able to calm down, well then the products, when you start using them again, actually become more effective. So it's like a tolerance break, but for your skin. You've been patient. I appreciate you making it this far in. So here's the big thing that all of us are doing. Stop letting your shampoo and conditioner run over your face when you wash it out during a shower. The ingredients in hair products are definitely not acne friendly. Again, because it costs more for a manufacturer to use only acne friendly ingredients. And when their target audience isn't necessarily people who have acne, it's a lot easier to use the cheaper stuff. So when you let that wash over your face and you let it wash over your pores, you're exposing yourself to all those ingredients, and that can cause irritation and pore clogging. Do not underestimate how important this is. I know it doesn't sound like that big of a deal, but I guarantee if you actually think about it, you're letting your hair products wash over your face every single day. And again, if you look on places like Reddit, you will see tons of people who saw a lot of success by stopping this. How do you wash the poo and the conditioner out of your hair? It looks a little weird. It's a little uncomfortable, definitely, but you can either lean your head really far back so that it washes down your neck and back. But if you have body acne, this is not going to work. So you can actually lean sideways or bend all the way doubled over so that when the water hits, it goes down your hair. There's nothing but the bathtub below you instead of it running right over your forehead. I know this is not the most convenient thing ever, but when it comes to acne, just about nothing is. And if you start this today, I would give it about a week, 2 to really see the effects. But for me, this and also stopping using wax in my hair to style it when I had shorter hair had a massive impact. And for years now, I am very meticulous when washing my hair. So hopefully you'll give it a try. I definitely think it'll have a huge impact on you. And if you're looking for my all-time favorite skincare brand, check out Banish and use my discount code Brian5 for a discount. All the ingredients that they use are the highest quality you're gonna find in the skincare world. All the ingredients are backed up by scientific studies, as well as hundreds of thousands of people who have seen huge results in getting rid of their mild to moderate acne, acne scars, and discoloration. And this is my 5th year of using their entire line, and it's 5 years because their products really do work, and I absolutely love them. As a little bonus, if you buy anything using my code, send me a screenshot on IG, and I will give you my entire Acne Method program bundle for free. All right, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment with something that's helped your acne before, and make sure you subscribe so you see all my weekly skincare and acne videos. Remember, you are not alone, you are beautiful, and you're part of Team Acne. I'll see you skin bosses in the very next video.